Hi, I'm Tracy and welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. I'm so glad you stopped by to craft with me because this is part 3 of a 4-part series featuring those sweet treat ornaments of the Candyland theme that seems to be really trending this holiday season. Now I know there are 1,000,001 ways to make these sweet treat ornaments, but I wanted to challenge myself by using craft supplies that were simple to work with, easy to find in the marketplace, and budget friendly. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Some of the main supplies for these candy DIYs are felt, chenille stems, foam pieces, and Velcro hair rollers. I start by picking out the colors of my chenille stems that I will use. Once that is done, I take 2 stems and twist them together, making them fluffier and more substantial. I then take the styrofoam rounds and cut out small discs with this little biscuit cutter. Now that I have my discs, I take a piece of felt, trace 2 circles on the felt, and cut them out. Along with a strip of felt that will go around the outside of my foam disc. I then glue the felt strip around the disc as well as the 2 felt circles on the front and back of my disc. Once that's done, I set that aside and move back to my chenille stems. I start by twisting the pink and the white together to make a candy cane pattern single stem. I now want to wrap my single candy cane stem into a spiral by starting at one end and spiraling to the other end. Once that is accomplished, I add some hot glue to the flat side of my felt covered disc and add the spiral chenille stem. Oh my goodness, it's looking delicious already. And to make it look even more delicious and realistic, I wrap it in one of these little cellophane treat bags that I purchased at Hobby Lobby in the candy making department. I just slide my little candy disc into the cellophane wrapper and twist it like a piece of candy, securing it with some cut pieces of the pink chenille stem. I then finish it off with some pink ribbon bows tied on each end and a little pink ribbon hanger. I am loving the pastel pink candy theme, but I also think that the peppermint red and white would be adorable. Next, we move on to DIY number 2. And to start this DIY, we're going to be utilizing these cute little self-stay rollers, otherwise known as Velcro rollers. We're going to take a white piece of felt, and as you'll see, I'm taking the roller and I'm just measuring the amount of felt I need to completely cover my roller. I then just attach a little bit of hot glue just to secure it to the roller. Now that I have my roller covered in the white felt, I want to come in and add this purple chenille stem. And to do that, I want to spiral it down the roller. So I add a touch of hot glue at one end, spiral it down to the other end, and then finish off with a touch of hot glue to secure the end. How stinking cute is that? Once I have the chenille stem wrapped around my roller, I come in with this cellophane on the roll. I cut out a little square piece and I measure it exactly what I need to wrap my roller, and I secure one end with a touch of hot glue, roll it up, and secure the other end. This kind of helps it from slipping around inside the cellophane. And then I just tie it up with some beautiful little green ribbon. And finish it off with a pink ribbon hanger. Now we're going to be moving on to DIY number 3, and that's going to be our chenille stem lollipop, which I think turned out adorable. And to begin this project, I start with 2 chenille stems in a white and a purple, and I twist them together, making a candy cane pattern. Now that we have that done, we're going to introduce our iridescent sparkle chenille stem. We're going to put them side by side and we're going to begin twisting them in a spiral pattern. Okay, now that I have my spiral shape, I just cut off the excess chenille stem and I add a touch of hot glue just to secure the spiral design. Now you could just stop here and not do this next step, but I think this next step just adds a bit of security to your spiral design. And that's going to be adding a piece of white felt to the back of my spiral. That looks perfect. Now we're going to be moving on to adding our lollipop stick. And to do that, you can use anything you have on hand that looks like a stick. You can use a dowel or whatever. I'm going to be using these little cake pop sticks I got at Hobby Lobby. You start by measuring how long you want your lollipop stick, and then you just break it off to your desired length. Then I just attach the lollipop stick to the back of the lollipop on the felt side. And to do this and make it a little more secure, I just add a little square of felt to the back. Now you could just leave your little lollipop stick this white and yellow spiral design, but I wanted to add a little bit of sparkle to mine, so I'm going to wrap it in the iridescent sparkle chenille stem. And finish it off with a little pink bow and a pink ribbon hanger. These little candy ornaments are so gorgeous in person, and I hope this inspires you to make some of your own. What do you get when you cross a snowman with a vampire? Frostbite! I'm here all week, folks. I'm here all week.